Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this super easy 3-ingredient dalgona coffee recipe at home. Let's get into it.
Missing someone without you.
First up, you'll need some instant coffee. The ratio for the 3 ingredients is 1 tablespoon each. So I'm actually making 2 servings here, which is why you see me doubling the portions. Next up, you'll need some sugar. I didn't have any white sugar at home, so I opted for brown instead. Thirdly, we have our final ingredient, just some boiling water, so I'm popping in 2 tablespoons. Now we're just going to mix it all together, making sure that we press out all the lumps. I don't have a whisk at home at the moment, so I'm just using a fork. If you have an electric beater, that would be most ideal, but I guess you are watching this video if you don't have one. But yeah, so just start whisking away. The original recipe does recommend whisking 400 times. I think you actually whisk close to like 1,000 because by the end of this, my arm was so numb and so tense. But yeah, just keep whisking away until the consistency starts to change. And about 5-6 minutes in, this is the consistency that you get. It's meant to be creamy yet thick. So when you lift it up with a fork, whatever utensil you're using, it should stick. Nothing should drip. Once you reach this point, you are done. So let's plate up. So I'm just grabbing a wine glass because I don't have any other glassware here at the apartment at the moment. So just popping in some ice. Fill up your glass with your milk of choice. Today I'm just using regular full cream milk. Start dolloping on that coffee mixture. Because I'm a little bit fussy, I'm going to add in a few more ice cubes to bring the drink to the top. I actually had one more in my hand at this point that I was umming and ahhing about putting in. As you can see, I hold back, but I thought, why not? So here I am, just squeezing it in. There we go. Perfection. And there you have it, guys, the final product. It's looking very bougie in a wine glass. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this out. I would love to see your creations. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.